Today I received my easy BITX kit. This is a PTT mic. This is another package and this is another package. We'll see what are inside. Everything was in a good cardboard packing as well. I'm planning to use this easy BITX as a drive for my VU2 EVQ HF linear amplifier, which I have just completed. PTT mic has come with this stereo pin, and this is the PTT. You can press it, and this is the portion which can be placed on the stand or something if it is there, but I don't know whether I'll have it in the kit. This small packet, as I expected, has the power supply. It's a 12 volt 2 ampere power supply, and it will work on input of 90 to 270 volts, 50 hertz or 60 hertz, 0.7 ampere. So this is the AC adapter which I can use for my AC BITX after home brewing. Remove the bubble packing, and it has a nice case which shows sockets for antenna on off and 18 volt fuse and 12 volt. I'll have to find out what this 18 volts is for. I've got an adapter for 12 volts. And on the other side, the company name is the in kits. I can have the volume control, mic, RX, TX, maybe that should be the indicator. The VFO dial should come here, I presume. And this is the EC BITX dual band, 20 meter and 40 meter. I'll have to fix the rotary encoder here. That's what I presume, because I have not gone through other details. Remove the 8 screws and place them here and labeled as EC BITX screws so that I don't forget where I have kept them. And this is the case. This is probably the region where the speaker has to be attached. You can see the holes there. And the screws for attaching speaker is also there inside. I'm keeping. This is the front panel, and this is the rear panel, and further foam packings are there, and several packets are there. This is one packet, and this is another. This is the I can see the display inside, and good number of packets inside this as well. And the speaker is here, Milton speaker. Let me see how many watts it is written. Three-inch speaker. That's all I can find here. Maybe inside there will be more specifications. Here's the speaker. The bracket is there with a couple of screws again, and I'll have to keep it somewhere secure. Instead of keeping those screws somewhere, I thought I'll fix the bracket or stand, whatever it is called, straight away. And this should be for keeping this at an elevation like this. If you keep it like this, the front end will be a little elevated. I can see that this board contains the microcontroller inside. Should be Arduino. This one should be the rotary encoder. There are some surface mount components which have already been mounted here, so that is convenient for me. On the reverse side, the numbers are written, resistor numbers, capacitor numbers, some of the capacitor values, all are written there. So I hope that this will guide me. This is for the connectors. The logo and the company name are also there. Other components are in set of packets. These are the resistors, and this has been labeled as crystal filter 10 megahertz, This is a connector. We have the disc capacitors here. Some more capacitors. Another component set. I can see that there are diodes, and this looks like a voltage regulator IC and a potentiometer preset. This has been labeled as Stoker coils. Looks like our old IF transformers in old elbowed radios. Then we have the enamel copper wire for winding. We have a set of 2N3904. It is labeled condensers. They are electrolytic capacitors. This is a T376 toroid for low pass filter for 20 and 40 meter bands. FT3743 toroids. Oh, this is for the rotary encoder, I presume. Several items like power switch, fuse, power jack, all those are inside that. I'll check this out later. It is shown as an acrylic sheet or something. I'll check later. I have an SO239 connector inside. This is another capacitor. Looks like a high voltage capacitor. These should be relays. No labeling is seen. Some jacks are seen, LEDs, multi-turn preset potentiometer, jack, that should be a mic jack. This should be audio control potentiometer. A good heatsink is seen with the insulator as well for mounting with heatsink paste. Those are the components. Now I'll have to go through the manual in detail and start homebrewing. I already told you the very first step I did was this, fixing these two screws. That's the easiest step. Now it is going to be a real marathon. I have put myself a target of 6 months. One of my friends, VU3SUA, told today morning that I'll be able to finish in 2 months. Let us see.